Programming the NPD 1000 pump. The NPD 1000 pump from Calypto Medical has easy 3-button programming, single-button operation for the patient, visible and audible alarms to alert the patient when something is wrong with the batteries or a leak is present, and 3 AA batteries that last on average 3 weeks and can be easily replaced, so there is no battery charging time with this system. The pocket-sized pump weighs only 8 ounces, so patients can be discreet about their treatment and maintain their mobility. It is important to make sure the pump settings exactly match what the physician has prescribed. To begin programming the pump, slide the bottom cover down by applying slight pressure on the sides and pulling down. You will expose all 3 buttons needed for programming. The top button is the pump button. The button on the left side of the pump is labeled VAC and sets the desired negative pressure. And the one on the right is the mode button to set the type of therapy. Hold down the VAC and mode buttons simultaneously while also pressing the pump button briefly. Once you release the buttons, the device will beep twice and the screen will blink to indicate it is in programming mode. You can now press the mode button to toggle between continuous or intermittent therapy. You will notice a tick mark on the screen moving back and forth between the 2 therapies. You should select the one ordered by the physician. Next, press the VAC button to set the pressure. The system automatically goes to 125 millimeters of mercury. Every time you press the VAC button, the system will decrease the level of pressure by 15 units until you reach 50. After 50, the next setting is 40, which happens to be the lowest pressure setting with the device. The available pressure settings are 125, 110, 95, 80, 65, 50, and 40. Remember that the device should be set according to what the physician has prescribed. After the device has been set to the prescribed therapy, press the pump button briefly to exit the programming mode. The pump will beep twice to indicate the exiting of programming mode. Finally, slide the cover back into its original position. This will protect the buttons and prevent the therapy settings from changing on their own while the device is in use. Starting the pump. To start the pump, press the pump button for 2 seconds, then release. The pump should turn on and the wound kit will begin to contract into the wound. You can tell the pump is on if you can see the therapy proceeding icon in the top left corner of the display. Once the pump reaches the prescribed level of pressure, it will turn off. The pump only runs when there has been a drop in pressure within the wound kit. This video is intended to be a resource for wound care professionals learning to use the NPD 1000 negative pressure wound therapy system from Calypto Medical. If you have questions after watching this video, please contact your local Calypto Medical representative.